guy,
Corey.
and the greatest driver,
Steve.
they're the best. I love them. Even though
Corey.
owes me $5. I know you guys are excited to get on the tour, but first, a few safety rules.
Yes, we do have.
Thank you.
Did you hear that? Mrs. Buried.
Not quite, darling, but soon. Very, very soon. Bella.
At times. Now kind of places. So I was thrilled when Universal invited me back to Skull Island, and it's great to have you along for the ride. Now we have created this 3D immersive experience, so you're going to have your glasses ready. Don't put them on yet, but just have them in your hand because we're about to return to Skull Island.
Oh man, they've heard us!
On the sidewalk, if you have a really keen eye, we lift those and actually put in trees, street signs, lamps to dress the street however we needed to. Now this street coming up right over here on your left hand side, this is Courthouse Square. Fans of Back to the Future, welcome to Hill Valley. This was Hill Valley in the 1950s, as well as the way distant future of 2015. Now, the outside of the clock, New York City, that's right, take a look around. This is 34th Street. We brought it all the way out here to Southern California. We have our own theater marquees, our own Macy's, and for those of you who had a good look on that marquee back there, it did say American Ninja Warrior. We used these streets recently to film season 10. American Ninja Warrior that was out here on the streets. Now, someone who knows a lot about New York is Mr. Jimmy Fallon, our co-host. Take a look.
Hey everyone, this is my favorite hot dog guy. Hey buddy, how's it going? Remember me? No. Just like old times. Gotta love New York City.
Of course, from the Fast and Furious franchise, what collection would be complete without them? Now, these cars are still in use. That Jeep Wrangler from Jurassic World was recently pulled for production. It was used for a promo for the movie Jurassic World Fallen Kingdom. Comes out. Cars from the Transformers films. That Bradley fighting vehicle back there, it is not a tank. It is made out of plywood. It looks real. The magic of movies, am I right? Now, not only do we... A little surprise for you. I did say there'd be water effects, you guys. It's just a little dino scoop, rub it in. It's good for the skin. Everyone's gonna have the nicest skin when we're done here. Now we have a very sophisticated system here, guys. Those are speakers and strobe lights. They are up on the tops of the buildings to make rain. Oh, look at that. We use a sprinkler system. I know, high tech. Now with that sprinkler system, the water is shot right up into the air so it falls down naturally, making them rain. The rain droplets are actually bigger than you will see real rain in real life. When it was raining out here the other day, you will clearly see a difference. Now you only notice that we don't make it rain everywhere. We only the areas the camera's going to see. That's what's important. No. Cars 3 and Cars 4. I'm so dreadfully sorry. Car 1, you guys have my heart. I'm telling you, those are the reactions. Now,
That lion right there in our old Mexico set, aka the Flash Flood. He was also here when he filmed The Prestige, directed by Christopher Nolan. So he's one Amistad, and some of Hollywood's biggest Western stars have been here. I know you guys like my accent, but I'm just gonna cut it out right now. John Wayne, the Duke himself, he has been here, and you know what? I'm feeling in the mood for an old-fashioned duel.
This town ain't big enough for the both of us, Jimmy Fallon.
Well, I ain't going anywhere, Jimmy Fallon.
Most folks in this town don't want no trouble. They just want to check out 6 Points, one of the oldest sets on the Universal lot.
I heard this where John Wayne and Jimmy Stewart shot a few of their westerns.
That's right. That's where I aim to shoot you.
Looks like we got ourselves a Mexican standoff. Lucky shot.
Now what say you mount up and get out of town while we're getting good?
All right. Well, I'll see you again, Fallon.
Oh, you can count on it, Fallon.
Again. This is the beginning of a beautiful friendship.
We just have to talk it out, that's all.
Now, one of the staples of a good old Western film is the bar brawls. You know, those brawls where actors are getting everybody okay? Partner before you doing right back there? You need a disaster hunt out. Anybody want to go take a dip? Anybody? No? Okay. Oh boy, what is that? That head better be a whale. That head better be a whale. I know that George, get out of the water. George, get out of the water. Kids, it's okay. George and I will play this game where he just submerges himself under water for a really long time. It'll be good. It'll be fine. Okay. Let's hang out behind this dock here. Pull those animal barrels. All that gas hose. Oh my gosh. Good. every shark that could do a backstroke. It's because it is fake, ladies and gentlemen. However, it's my favorite part of the tour because I get to see who jumps the highest and screams the loudest. Sometimes, car number 4, they got a pretty big scream. I don't know how they don't see it coming, but you guys are ready this time for it. Now, Bruce was the mechanical shark in Jaws, and he was recently ranked by AFI as one of the top 100 movie villains of all time. And he was a villain on Bates Motel was an Alfred Hitchcock Psycho, and is that Norman? Is that Norman Bates? Oh, he looks really disturbed. Oh, he looks very disturbed. Well, hey, Norman. All right. Might be. Oh boy. Oh boy. Car number 4. I hope you signed your waiver forms.
Build that with wood, so that is made out of styrofoam wrapped around chicken wire. 2 million linear feet of styrofoam, in fact. About 9 American football fields worth of fake snow was used as well. More of the World starring Tom Cruise. Yes, I know what you're thinking. Is that plane real? It is. It is a very real plane. Cost the film about $60,000 to purchase.
Well, it's right here.
The airplane crash site set is a perfect example of a set that is all designed around a vision that Steven had. When you forget something you don't see.
You're doing good. You're doing good. Listen to me. Listen to me. Listen, I want you to close your
Impressive indeed. Now, as I said, that is a real 747. Cost of production $60,000, but shipping and handling will get you in the ending.